So today I'm going to show you guys how to make cheap peanut butter breakfast cereal. As you all know, breakfast cereals can be quite expensive, so I'm going to show you an alternative. And this is actually a recipe that I got from my grandma many years back. So I've tweaked it a little bit to make a vegan version. Let me show you what I've got. So we've got 4 slices of white bread here. We've got a cup of soy milk. We've got peanut butter. I personally like the crunchy peanut butter. Let us know in the comments down below if you prefer crunchy or smooth. And 100 grams of sugar, and you can either use a toaster or an oven depending on what you have. So I'm toasting the bread now for about 1 minute on medium heat. I don't want to make it black, I just prefer mine golden brown. Now that the bread is toasted, it's time to apply some peanut butter, Now that the peanut butter has been added, I'm going to cut each slice into 6 pieces with a sharp knife like this one over here. The bread has been cut up into 24 pieces, and now I'm simply going to add the sugar and the soy milk, and I'll show you the end product now. There we have it, it's time to indulge.